Write an equation for the line containing the points listed in this table. First of all, I want to point out that they are telling me this is a line. So I'm not going through and trying to figure out whether or not it actually is a line. I'm just assuming, yeah, these points all fall on the same line. And with that assumption, then I go ahead and I'm going to pick two of the points. And I'm going to go ahead and pick this point and this point. So you can see each of these have they have x and f of x. So this is equivalent to y's, right? So x is the inputs, and when I put x into the function, when I put 5 into the function, it gives me 10. When I put a 12 in it, it outputs 31. So if I want to calculate the slope of this line is equal to the change in the output values divided by the change in the input values. So with the 2 points that I picked, I'm going to go ahead and take 31 minus 10 for the numerator, and I'm going to follow the same pattern for the denominator. I'm going to go 12 minus 5. 31 minus 10 is going to give me 21 for the numerator, and 12 minus 5 is going to give me 7 for the denominator, and 21 divided by 7 is 3. So the slope is 3. Now that I know that the slope is 3, we're trying to find the equation of the line. So I'm going to pick any one of the other points, or I could pick one of the points I've already used to figure out what the y-intercept is. I'm going to go ahead and use this point right here, the 3, 4. So what do I know? I know that x is 3. I know that y is equal to 4. And I know that my slope, and the variable I use for that is m, is equal to 3. So if I look at y equals mx plus b, the only variable that I don't know is I don't know b. I don't know my y-intercept, and that's what we're going to find. And we're going to do that by plugging in the value of y we have, right? Y is 4, so I'm going to write down 4 for y, and that equals m. M is 3, so I'm going to write a 3 for my slope. And then finally, x is 3, so I'm going to write a 3 for the x plus b. And that gives me that y 4 is equal to 9 plus b. And if I subtract 9 from both sides of that, that gives me that subtracting 9 from both sides, it gives me negative 5 is b, right? My y-intercept is the number negative 5. Now that I know that, I can go ahead and write the equation of the line, right? It is y equals the slope, which was 3, times x, in this case minus 5, because our y-intercept is at negative 5. So this is the equation of the line that works for this table up here. By the way, any point that I picked up there should make this equation true. And if it doesn't, either the data's not correct, it's really not a line, or I've made a mistake somewhere.